After the devastating blow by Hurricane Beryl, which ravaged the Princess Royal Hospital and other health facilities on the Sister Isles, providing for the medical needs of residents became a grave concern. One field hospital is already and operational on the island, and soon a second one will begin providing services to residents. The Samaritan's Purse, an international non-profit faith-based organization, quickly responded to the medical concerns and set up their fully equipped field hospital stationed in Leicester, Carriacou. Medical Director Bruce Nicely spoke to our news team, explaining that the hospital came with a medical staff of 30 professionals who will be rotated monthly.
So we have about 30 medical staff here on the grounds right now. Samaritan's Purse works on somewhat of a volunteer basis. They get a small stipend when they come, but they are all taking time off of their regular jobs to be here. One of the things that we know that needs to happen is that your hospital needs to be able to be rebuilt here. And so we're going to see how we might be able to help in that process some too. But until they have a place to keep patients overnight, we'll be here to serve as long as they need us. And when they tell us it's time to go home, or when we sense that we're really no longer needed, we'll take our chance to go home.
Nicely said the field hospital, which has been operational for the past 5 days, has mainly been providing medical assistance to persons who sustained injuries during Beryl and to those with chronic diseases.
We're offering just basic medical services. If you have injuries, heart health concerns that you would normally go to your ER for or your general practitioner, you could come to us and we will see you. We also are offering, we have 2 patient wards. The hospital here, as you know, was badly damaged. And so we are able to provide overnight inpatient services for both males and females. We have 10 beds each in those wards. So we're providing 24-hour service for patients that they might need.
The medical director also explained that at the end of their service on the island, the field hospital and all it contains will be left for Grenada. The second field hospital will be set up in the community of Bel Air Carriacou. It was donated by the U.S. government to Grenada during the COVID-19 pandemic. Special coordinator in charge of the response team in the Sister Isles, Sylvan McIntyre, spoke about staffing for the field hospital and the assistance received from the Ministry of Health on the mainland.
Nurses from the mainland, they're here. We did make an appeal because we recognize the burnout from those who've been going. Everybody technically lost their house, very, very damaged. So we requested people to be rotated because of the obvious burnout and otherwise, and their own needs on the ground to be taken care of. So yes, we've had nurses from mainland, and it's gonna continue. Not just nurses. We've had a couple of deaths. It's actually registering more than what we had during the storm itself. So it's an indication that the health system could be overwhelmed some way. So even if we don't have people getting in there right now, we believe that down the road that would be useful. So we're going to set it up.
That's great.
We started the process. The human resource was also a concern, but we just had a few technical people to guide it. The RSS, they're here to assist. And this morning in our meeting, they committed to helping us.
McIntyre disclosed that the nurses will work alongside those already on the island and will be rotated. Rena Thomas, GBN News.